Hello everyone, myself Sakib Mullah. I'm from Kolhapur. I have just graduated from D.Y. Patil College, Kolhapur. I found about this competition on Instagram. Me and my team has previously participated in the mango competition, and we have won the prizes also. That kept me motivating to keep participating, and also as an architecture student, we know that thesis is our most important project. We put lot of hard work, and we spend lot of time on our thesis. So it was a great platform, and it was a good chance to showcase. So I just participated in the architectural thesis award organized by mango competition. So my thesis project was about quarry rehabilitation. Basically, quarry is an open pit where different types of rocks and minerals are excavated, but the problem is that once the needed resource in the quarry are drained and consumed, they usually become deserted and neglected. It creates negative environmental impact, which further leads in social and economical problem also. The project aim was to encourage the rehabilitation of such land masses with the help of architectural intervention. The development of such entities will not just regain the environmental damage, but will also create economical opportunities around and a social awareness also. The design proposal was in three stages to establish the connection between the people surrounding and this particular quarry. In the first stage, I have proposed a quarry park and a tourist center, and in the other side, the reclamation process will be taken. In the second phase, resort is proposed as it comes into a special type of site, considering ancient feeling of lake houses and caves in modern architecture. As the site comes in a vicinity of Bangalore city and near to the airport and hill station, people can come around this beautiful place and spend their time also. In the third phase, uh, convention center is designed considering surrounding future development, where all the functions and gatherings can take place. The extended concrete massive rectilinear walls, which are in contrast with the natural forms of this quarry and similar aesthetics of the exposed concrete material to the stone strata, creates the drama between built and unbuilt. The people can come here and celebrate this void. For winning any competition, I think one should focus on the briefs and whatever the requirements that they have given to us, and I think it's a combination of good ideas and hard work and composed presentation. By taking participation in different competitions, you will try to design new spaces, you will try to learn new ideas. So it's a good platforms to explore ourselves, to not to limit our ideas, because as a competition they have no limitations. I think brief was pretty clear, where all the guidelines and submission requirements has given clearly, so there wasn't any query from my side. I will suggest you to participate in mango competition, as they have challenging briefs and renowned juries. Uh, Thank you, everyone.